guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. Hope everybody is doing great and fine. Today I want to make chickpea snack. So I want to make a chickpea snack. So these are all the items I need for my chickpea snack. Here I have my seasoning in my season Maggie that I used to use this one. And here I have my oregano, which is that's this one. Then here that's spice bag seasoning, salt and chili spice bag seasoning. That's it over here. And here I have my chili paprika, which is that's it over there. And here I have my dandelion. This is my dry dandelion. That's it over there. And here I have my seasoning as well, super seasoning, a coriander, mint spice. So, and here I have the basil. That's it over there. And I have my paprika just to give color. That's it over there, the paprika. So there's it. So here I have my garlic and orange skin, which I'm going to crush and pound in my mortar here. And here I have the garlic with the skin. I'm going to pound it together. These dates, I have 3 dates. I want it to be sweet and spicy at the same time. And here I have the pink salt. So the pink salt, I'm going to just put a little bit because all the what is it called, the spice bag seasoning is the one that contains with salt. You have salt in it, and my seasoning as well contains salt. So I'm just want to add little bit of the pink. My God, I don't know how to open it. What happened? So just a little bit to give it that little taste of the pink. That's it, just little like that. I don't need much. So all this, I'm going to pour it into the mortar. And I'm going to pound everything together. If you have blender, I think this will be so good in blender, so fast, not going to take time at all. So it's going to take time. Just take your time and pound it well. So I'm going to be using 3 cans of chickpeas, because when you dry it up, it's not going to be much, and I just want to do much. To pound with, and it's okay guys, I've pound it, but the onion skin doesn't pass sweet and smooth, you can see, but it's all right. Some of it crush and some doesn't. I think when I use blender it will crush very well, but I just want to. Then I'm going to open up my, just need to rinse my hand. Open up my, so guys, I want to, I'm opening my Chickpeas now. Then definitely we are not going to do it with the liquid in it. We're just going to drink the liquid out of it. So I'm going to pour that like that. Then I'm going to open the third one. Oh, I'm looking at it there. Why can't I do two? But I've opened the third one. Because normally I do used to do one. But because we're at home, I said let me do tray for them to see something to snack on. This liquid is going to be useful. I think I did video about it, how you can use it to make your own meringue. Just whip it. I have the video in my channel. You can check how to use your chickpeas to make meringue, and it's so good. Tastes like it just a replace from a white egg white. So this here. So I'm going to be mixing all this stuff. I'm not pounding it. I'm just trying to mix so I've poured it in. I'm going to be using my hand. I'm not going to have the third one yet. I want to see what is going to happen here. And I'm going to on my oven. Oh, I like when my oven is being preheated for us to. The spice was so good. It was spicy and at the same time sweet because of the dates that was in it. Oh, I nearly crushed my chickpeas because I was trying to, because the chickpeas make the spice to glue together, so I'm trying to use my hand to just dissolve it and let it run through. So I'm just trying to use my hand to walk it around. So there's it. I think I'm going to add, I just saw, oh my god. And it's not going to be enough if I taste it and it still needs spice. I will just add a little bit of my seasoning, which is my Maggi seasoning, to it. Oh my god, I'm pouring it away. This bowl is too small. Okay guys, I've finished mixing them very well. See, so I'm going to be pouring it into my baking tray. I'm going to squeeze out. No oil, I didn't add oil to it yet. So just spread it out. Just spread it out. Spread it out. It's a very good snack. See all the skin of the chickpeas coming out. Let me leave it to do with it. Then I'm just going to spray a little bit of oil just to make it shine. Then I'll mix them together. Then I'll mix it. Then I'll add more. And see how shiny it's looking now. Let me raise my hands. So guys, it's going to the oven. I on my oven to 160, between 160 to in between 160 to 180. So it's just like 170, and it has been preheated for like 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm going to put it in my oven for like until when it's due to you. If you want it so hard, fine. And I'm going to be checking mine and see. I'm going to be checking my up to the time that I know maybe if soft or too hard. You want it too hard or in the medium side. It depends on you. So it's going to the oven now. I'm going to leave it for like 20 minutes and I will bring it out and see out. Then if not yet dry to my own satisfaction, I will return it, but I will let you know. Bye guys. So guys, it just 60 minutes in the oven. I have to bring it out and mix it together. I have to bring it out and just mix it together so that they will cook evenly. And I'll return it back to the oven. So hello guys, it's 27 minutes now, as you can see. See, it's getting dry, it's getting there. So I want it dry but not very dry, at least to stay out. We are not going to put it in the fridge or so. So if not that, so it's going back to the oven, and when it's done I'll be back. So guys, there's it. It's done. It's dry, not very dry. I can still press it. You can see I don't do it very dry. So that is it guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press that notification button. Remember to share so that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever I drop a new video. So thanks, see you in my new video. Bye. In my next video. Bye.